Well, there you go, folks. We're on to 10,000. Let's go ahead and get our landing lights up. Landing lights are on.
Embraer Phenom 197, that is
there we go.
Offset just a little left for awake turbulence.
That's 197 Las Vegas. Thank you. That heading going low 5 inbound, extend to maintain 8,000.
Extend to maintain 8,000, going to localize upwind heading southwest 197.
That's 197, 10 from Preno to 8, cleared on LX.
Alright, Preno at 8, clear to the ILS, 56 left approach, southwest 197.
Thank you, Tower. Good morning. That was 1906 final for 26 left.
1906 Los Vista, good morning. Wind 260 at 4, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left. That was 1906.
Folks, we'll be making a turn up ahead here. You see coming up on the radar there? See total, we got like about 6 more minutes. Nah, actually, hold up, about 30. I know it's not 30.
So it's 1906, turn right at Alpha 6, then turn right on Alpha back to Alpha 5.
Alright, right on Alpha 6, Alpha, and then Alpha 5.
Hold on. Nah, we got more like 30, I'm sorry, 30, got 41 miles actually, before we need to be at 4,000 feet, so we're a little ahead of the game here. That's all good.
So it's 1906, cross runway 26 right at Alpha 5, then Bravo 4 to the ramp.
Cross Alpha 26 right at Alpha 5, Bravo 4. That was 1906.
Approved, South please, 6145, 1045 for Southwest 5145 Las Vegas, thank you, off lower previous unit.
27 said Cape Town and Newark one time. Oh yeah, man. Yo, that was a long, that's a 13-hour flight, yo. God, oh. I ain't gonna lie, man, that shit was painful, dude.
Southwest 5145 at east speed to 210, then descend and maintain 6,500.
210 on speed 6.5, Southwest 5145.
Southwest 197, how long did you say you need that 210?
Just tell Larry there, keep it 190 or greater to Shan, man.
Alright, thanks, 190 or greater Shan.
For Southwest 1536, turkey on 10, descending to 8,000, we're done, Larry.
1536 Vegas, thank you. 10 from Preno, I'm sorry, you're going direct Larry. Go direct Larry and instead of anything, 7,000.
Alright, direct to Larry down to 7,000, Southwest 1536.
Southwest 5145, airport 11 o'clock, 20 miles.
Houston, state, Southwest 5145.
5145, speed 210 to Larry, cleared visual approach, only 26 left.
210, Larry, clear for the visual, 26 left, Southwest 5145.
Southwest 1536, airport 12 o'clock, 27 miles.
Inside, Southwest 1536.
1536, speed 210 or greater to Larry, cleared visual approach, only 26 left.
Cleared visual approach, 26 left, 210 or better than Larry, Southwest
You tell me
1536.
flush the toilet as well? One of the pilots on the toilets. Oh, that's crazy. And a worker microwave. Man, they get more and more creative, ain't they? What's up, Ed, man? What's
197,
happening?
normal speed, towers of 19 negative.
Yeah, man, it sure as hell is, man. That's probably why they want us at 4,000 when we make this turn, you know what I mean?
That's 1654, good morning, airport 12 o'clock, 29 miles.
Inside, Southwest.
Southwest 1654, speed 210 until Larry, cleared visual approach, only 26 left.
210, Larry, clear for the 26 left, Southwest.
Alright, y'all, I don't know about this thing, man. Like I'm all brand new to this aircraft, man, so shit, man.
Southwest
I gotta get this shit
5145,
right, man. At least
170, hold
on
that
first
to Reland,
attempt, man.
contact tower now, 119.9 negative.
172, Reland, switch tower, Southwest 1245.
See, James, it might slow down to around 180 before the turn. Yeah, I think, yeah. I'm sure. Let me see, we have OFEB. How far are we out from OFEB from, let's see, from OFEB we have 9. Let's see, it says 6 miles. We got 11 miles from touchdown. We got like 11 miles left once we once we make that turn. We have like 11 more miles. I think we're good, man. Yeah, but as soon as we make that turn, we're gonna start tuning it down for sure, man, because we only have like 11 miles before touchdown. So what's all the red business here? All right, here we go. Wait. Start breaking to this turn here, y'all. Not quite yet. Almost. It's all this red shit, man. What the hell's all this? What is this shit, y'all? Oh, what the hell? They're windmills, man. What the hell? They're windmills. Check it out. Yo, that's so crazy, man. The windmills. What? Ha, that's cool. I never seen no shit like that before, man. Look at that. All that red shit, man. It's all windmills. Wow. It's pretty cool, man. Alright, here's our main turn here, y'all. All right, let's start getting into it here. I see y'all looking out that window. I see you looking out that window. Looking strange. This little thing floats, man. She don't slow down fast at all. Said bird killers. Little fans of big bird killers, huh? All right, there's our runway. You see the airport right there in front of us, y'all. So we got visibility already. I just figured out the approach button there for the first time. I'm a straight rookie on this, y'all, so forgive me. This thing's straight idle, man. Just floating. See, no speed brakes on that bird. Yeah, man, it's gonna be crazy, man. I only got 5,000 feet of runway, too, man. I got my damn work cut out for me on this one. Everybody catch that glide slope, too? Come on, bring it. There it is. Close the glide slope. Here we go. All right, yeah. I see it needs a little bit of drag, man. Let's bring this gear down. Get a little bit more drag there. There we go. Now we see it coming down a little bit. Cool. Come on down some more. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Keep on coming down. That speed down. Coming down some more. Come on. All right, let's go flaps. Let's go first flaps here. Get a little more drag there. A little more flaps here. Come on. Bring her down, bring her down, bring her down. 140, 139. She's coming down slowly, but let's go 50% on our flaps here. Speed's coming down nicely. 125, 126, 120. Okay, gotta watch our speed now. Bring flaps down some more. We can go full on our flaps, yeah, at this point. All right, we're going full on our flaps. Keep our speed right. All right, man. I do not know this aircraft, y'all, so bear with me. Yeah. Gears down. Keep the speed right about here. We're gonna be soon be taking off autopilot soon too. Really got to speed manage this damn thing, dude. Taking off autopilot. Alright, we're gonna take her in. Holy hell, man. That's only my second time landing this damn thing. I don't think I did too bad on that shit, man.